Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Danielle Engels. I'm a mortgage loan officer here at Dakotaland in the Brookings location. And with me today I have the pleasure of having Olivia Borns. She is going to be our guest speaker and we're going to visit a little bit about HELOCs. But first, Olivia, what kind of made you decide to become part of the Dakotaland family?
Sure. So I became a part of the Dakotaland family through a couple of car loans. And then when my husband and I had the opportunity to buy a house, it was kind of an easy answer to go with Dakotaland and get our mortgage a couple years ago. And then just kind of work with you ever since.
All the things, yeah. So we've kind of been through some events. We did your first mortgage and then you and Tice got married.
Yes.
And now we recently just did a HELOC loan.
Yes.
Tell me what kind of brought that idea up and what did you need to do the HELOC for?
So we purchased our home a couple of years ago and it needs a new roof now. So we need to re-shingle it, and I know that's a big home expense, and so we kind of did some research. We asked them the right questions and we ended up kind of landing on getting a HELOC loan through Dakota.
I think after we kind of discussed the options, we felt that was going to be the best fit for you both.
Yes.
And have you guys started the project yet?
Not yet. It's still in the works, but at least now with the HELOC, everything's kind of ready to go. So when, our contractor, our roof guys get the job done, we can write a check and
pull the trigger.
Good. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, thank you. Thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.